when we started with ANI, we literally created a product for which there was no market. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you create a product for a market which exists, or you create a product because you believe in your product and you create a market, right? So my product was pre-1991 reforms, right? There was no private television industry. So here I was making a news agency format work for a market that wasn't there. So in the hope, right, that, so I went the tough way, right? Lots of people who will tell you that, it's not going to work. And there were giants who were in the business since Jawaharlal Nehru's time, who, he had given them land, he had given them office space. We were in the private sector. Private sector dream big was considered vulgar till the 90s. I was told, she likes the limelight. Yes, I do. Excuse me.
What's wrong with that?
Bad. Yeah, I like it. I like the limelight. I work bloody hard for this limelight. I want to create in my company a safe space for more women, more youngsters to enjoy that limelight. Why not? So I genuinely feel that people like us who have reached a certain stature in our profession, we need to encourage, we need to bring in more people, and from this region, because this region has, we are entrepreneurs, yes, but we are quiet entrepreneurs. And one of the sessions I heard people saying we don't market ourselves enough. We don't tell our stories properly. We don't. And sorry, before I hand over, there's this one person I think I was speaking to Surabhi, that there was, I don't know whether you remember, there was information advisor to Indira Gandhi whose name was Sharda Prasad, right? He was a Kannadiga. And I was all of 8 years when I asked him that, why do you talk to me only in Kannada? I can also speak English, So he was, very sweetly, he said to me, keep speaking in Kannada, keep learning, speak in Tulu, doesn't matter, learn it. I said, none of my friends here speak the two languages. And then he said, and he used to encourage people too. He used to encourage people from Tulu Nadu who would come. He would introduce them to publishers. How many books got published during that time? Hardly any, but he helped. My great uncle, U.S. Mohan Rao, who set up Films Division, who did the collected works of Mahatma Gandhi, he did that. His home in Firozshah Road was open to anybody from Karnataka who could come take the UPSC exam. I want my home to be like that. I want my organization to be like that, because we are hesitant. As a community, we are hesitant. So yes, I want to do my bit.